Cooking with Leora. That's my intro. Dinner's gonna be late tonight, guys. Our first request comes in from Scott Salt. He has said, "Hi Leora, big fan of the show." Thank you, Scott. "I would really like to see you cook a classic spaghetti bolognese, accompanied with 4 cans of Cider, and not those halfling shit ones I've seen, the big cans." I like that it says a mark of quality and then there's a line here. So the mark of quality is like down there. No, but it's 8%. I'm gonna regret this. Big time. Oh. Okay, let's try this. Oh no. Let's get on with some cooking. Onion. I don't have a knife. Oh, I can't look glamorous while drinking this. Do you want some cider? This one wants to be on the show. Some amount of onion. Right, this is how I cut onion. Chop, chop. Onions. Cooking show. You see this? That lives there now. While we wait, we drink. I'm starting to get into the Cider. We're gonna use a shit ton of garlic. A bulb of fucking garlic. So moral of the story is... What was the story? It's all gone wrong. If you're vegetarian, do as I do and use corn. Carrots. That's a fucking carrot. Chop your celery. Chop tomatoes. A very key ingredient. Let's just get this shit in there and drink this at the same time. Don't make a mess. Oh. Everything's fine. Two down. So gonna take some lentils. I'm cooking for 7 people tonight. I don't know how many people you're cooking for. So just figure that shit out for yourself. You're not my problem. Now it's just a journey for me to like finish this cider. You know, the pasta's on. That's okay. Can number 4. I regret everything. Spaghetti. We're gonna serve this shit now. Here's some spaghetti. This is gonna be fucking delicious. Mediocre. I blame the cider. Okay. How is it? Thank you for watching. You've been watching Drunk Cooking with Leora. Second. Mike. Wait. That was very difficult. Please request booze that's more drinkable than Cider. Send in your requests down below. Like down here. Literally like, you know, I'm on a screen and you're like down there. Just put them in there. It's not hard.